Hello everybody, I am the Amateur Day Trader, and today I just wanted to make a quick video about my stock selection process and sort of process in the morning about how I figure out what I'm going to watch at the market open. So right now it's 9:25 Eastern Standard Time, so 5 minutes before the market opens. I usually start this process at about 9 o'clock, so half hour before the market opens. The first thing I have here is my Gappers Up scanner to see what stocks have gapped up overnight, and there's some criteria that I set here to figure out what stocks I'm going to keep an eye on and potentially trade after the market opens. I'm going to see what sort of shape those take after the first 5 or 10 minutes, after sort of the volatility of market open has gone down a little bit. I don't like to trade right at the market open because there's just a lot of risk involved in that I am not comfortable with. I'll go into my settings on my stock scanner in another video, but just know that I have narrowed these down based on various criteria. So once I do that, I'm not going to watch all of these stocks because that would just take way too much time and attention, and there's no way you would be able to do it. I like to select between 1 and 4 stocks I'm going to watch at the market open. I actually prefer to just have 1 or 2, but I will watch as high as 4 if need be, or if I see some just really strong candidates that I want to keep an eye on. But even that, at that point, my attention starts kind of wandering and I can't really focus the way I want to. So after I've narrowed down this list based on my scanner settings, we're going to pick Rocket Labs here, RKLB. What I'll do to sort of just get some more information about the company and what's going on is in your browser search bar, you can type the stock ticker followed by investor relations. And usually the first link that comes back in your search results will be the page you want. But I'm going to go to the investor relations page of that particular stock. Again, in this case, we're talking about Rocket Labs. And this is where the company will post just sort of relevant news, things that have happened, press releases, acquisitions, new technologies they're releasing, whatever it is, right? Just information that has gone out to the public. Now, today's June 6th. You can see nothing's really happened today. The latest news was on June 2nd about Rocket Labs launching a 10th Electron missile. I have no idea what that means. I have no idea what an Electron missile is. I don't know if it's a missile that shoots electrons or that's made out of electrons. I know nothing about Electron missiles. What I'm looking for is news that happened today, because when things happen in a company that are a big deal, that means that there's probably going to be just more trading action on that stock. It does not necessarily say whether that stock is going to go up or down. It just means there'll be movement. It's just another piece of information to suggest that your stock might move, right? Which is what we want. We want movement. If a stock doesn't move, we can't make money off of it. Now, this doesn't mean that I'm not going to watch Rocket Labs. I certainly am. This is on my watch list for today. It's traded a lot pre-market. It's within my price range. It's gapped up a good amount. I'm definitely going to keep an eye on Rocket Labs. And actually, I'm looking at the chart on another screen here. I don't have it in front of me, but I actually see some really good movement in this stock. So I will definitely be keeping an eye on this at the open. That's all for this video. I just wanted to say happy Friday and show you sort of my process in the morning, how I narrow down stock selection. This was a big problem I had when I started trading, was there's, hundreds of thousands or if not millions of stocks out there. How do you know which ones to take a look at? Well, this is how you know. This is what I do, and by all means, tweak your process, but it's good to have a place to start. Enjoy the weekend, everybody. I am the Amateur Day Trader, and I will talk to you all soon.